Hello to all traders. Today I've prepared a scalping strategy for you that even beginner traders and those who are just starting to learn trading lessons can use. So if you would like, watch this video until the end. The first step is to enter the TradingView website. Then go to the symbol sections and select the symbol you want to trade. Now go to the time frame section and choose your desired time frame. Next, go to the indicator tab and search for UT-bot to add it to the chart. As you can see, this indicator needs some adjustments, so go to its settings and make the necessary changes. Follow the same adjustments as I do. This indicator generates signals for us that we can enter buy orders by seeing green signals, which are buy signals, and by seeing red signals, which are sell signals, we can enter sell orders and get good profits. However, remember that these signals are not always accurate, so we need to add another indicator to increase our win rate. Go to the indicator tab and search for volume supported linear regression to add it to the chart. Then go to its settings and make the required changes. As you can see, this indicator is divided into two parts. In places where the columns are green and above the zero line, we consider the trend to be upward and look for buy signals in these areas. And in places where the columns are red and below the zero line, we consider the trend to be downward and look for sell signals in these areas. Now that the explanations of these two indicators are complete, I will teach you how to enter buy and sell orders. Let's start with buy orders. First, find a buy signal like this one here. Then check the histogram to ensure it's green and above the zero line, indicating an uptrend. Then find the last swing low and set your stop loss slightly below it. For take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for your trade to close with profit. For sell orders, follow the opposite steps of buy orders. Look for a sell signal first. Then ensure the histogram is red and below the zero line. Set your stop loss slightly above the last swing high. Consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for take profit. And wait for the trade to close with profit. As you can see, this strategy is very easy and simple, allowing you to make good profits in a short amount of time. If you found this strategy useful, be sure to share it with your friends, like the video, and ask any questions you have in the comments. Take care until the next video.